greatness of capability is about the people. You know, this place is about the people.
We've spent a lot of money in the centre on the building, and we've got state-of-the-art equipment, but the reality is the capability of the AFRC is in the people. So the training group which we're able to give people, their interaction with customers, the operation of that equipment, it's a dumb piece of kit without the person behind it to actually interpret the results and run the equipment in the right way.
We pride ourselves in bringing academic quality and standards of research to industrial problems. About 50% of our engineers are PhD qualified, and the other 50% have come to us from industrial backgrounds. So we've got a really good blend.
We can do the pure fundamental science, we can also do the pure industrial application, transferring it into the supply chain and kind of bridge in between. So it's quite a unique position to be in.
Here in the AFRC we have a great diversity of nationalities. We have here people coming from Iran, from continental Europe, Germany. We have people here from France, Spain, Basque Country.
Every single culture induces some different points of view. The multiple opinion give you multiple choices and fresh ideas.
And that's one of the things when I first came to the AFRC that really struck me, that there was a real buzz about the place when you come in. Most of our demographic is actually under the age of 35, which is again a really good thing to see. And we've got a few guys that, from industry who are real leaders in their field, who can mentor and bring on some of those younger members of staff and allow them to be the next generation of industry experts.
We've actually taken on quite a lot of students who are people who were students and did internships here, and then have come in to actually work as manufacturing engineers and researchers. So there's that kind of development of people.
Well, the best thing for me about working here is the opportunities for young engineers like myself. I mean, coming as a student from university to then have the opportunity to develop within the centre and work with the kind of customers that we work with directly, and working on some of the industrial scale equipment that we've got with a lot of different experienced people from different backgrounds.
Here at the AFRC, as I said, it's my first engineering career, so it's a really good place to work. Never the same job every day in here. New challenges every day. It could be something a bit more happier to see, something a bit easier, or something that's a bit more difficult, which is a challenge, which is pretty good.
We also have the Engineering Doctorate Centre, which is a great lead-in for people to get into manufacturing, and certainly we're looking to take in a lot of the NGDs when they finish their research, so that we're getting the best of the students' abilities, but also they're getting the best of industrial experience and exposure to some of the companies we work with.
There's quite big plans for the AFRC. We're getting significant interest in the new emerging technologies that we're looking at in digital manufacturing. So there is plans to grow the centre, and it will grow beyond our current capabilities as well, as we are looking at newer areas and newer technologies.
The thing that I find particularly encouraging about this centre is that it acts as a pipeline for people to develop an interest and an expertise in particular areas of manufacturing technology and particular approaches to innovation that fills an industry need and fills a need in the research landscape of the UK.